Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Foota Hype just lets the world know about Lady Saw. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care, because Talking News is here. That's right, back on topic. Foota Hype talks the things about Lady Saw, and I have to agree, he makes a whole lot of sense. I'm not going to, say what he says before he says it, but all I have to say is, I'll try to post things that make sense and true, that are truthful. And whoever don't like a person, go inside your mind and shut up and listen to the truth. We're not talking about feelings, we're talking about facts. All right? Foota Hype, take it away.
People, every time when I ask me that, if me still love Aisha, I'm not in love with Aisha. Aisha is my past. Me notice, somehow I don't understand who Lady Saw is. Me see somehow no attack and make some speech and I don't know who Lady Saw is. I gotta go now. I look at synopsis. Of who Lady Saw is. Somebody said she dip on the wrong side. Remember me tell you now. I made the hungry man when me talk my thing, them in change my mouth, I tell you say Lady Saw nothing over Christianity. Wrong place she there. She a waste time. Me did say that, right? Yes or no? Me never did say that. Me never tell them say Lady Saw forward, man. Me tell them say from me hear Lady Saw blow them speech there and call them name, Lady Saw think for come back, because she knows say once she said them thing there, somebody got clap back, especially Spice. See? So I'm not a stupid person. I'm a very smart person. I have a very high IQ. I'm not dumb. I know say once me see Lady Saw come out and talk so strong, she expect the smoke. She ready for it. Here Lady Saw live where she do it there, she kill people right through. Blue Year Smurf, One It Wonder, a big thing she talk. She shoot people left, right and center in the live. And then a clash, she da clash on stage. So imagine. Then Saw all. Alright. Me hear a portion of people that say Saw wicked and Saw bad mind and Saw fight against and alright. Let me say the first thing too. Me don't know about nobody else. See? Me don't know about nobody else. But me know about me. Lady Saw is one of the realest entertainer. I mean, I thought it was just female. One of the realest entertainer me ever know in my life. Me say this without apology, and me I gonna say it again. Lady Saw, Marian Hall, is one of the realest entertainers me ever see in my life. You hear that? Wanna hear that? Alright, I'm going to the story now. Come here, everybody attack bad boy Lady Saw, and them not talk the good. All of them, Spice, Jada, the whole of them when I chat. Talk the good. Talk some good now. When me a fight with my artist at the time, Aisha, who is a female artist, we can dress good, she look good, and she a good artist. See? Remember say, if Lady Saw a bad mind, Lady Saw nah go give nobody where can be her competition, no strength. Cause you protect yourself, right? You da protect your career and your interests. So you're not gonna give nobody where I do the same thing what you are do. Not helping on. Because you're bad mind. Right? Right? Okay. Aishana, I mean make Aishana know Jam is the whole thing. John everybody. Ladies are give me so much help with Aishana. So much. So much. Ladies are call up Aishana for a show. Ladies are call up Aishana and Spice for performance. Ladies are carry Aishana a foreign with her. Go open show for her. Ladies are get Aishana a work permit. Ladies, all because Foota say needs strength for Aishana. Ladies are no need for know so them a go bus for give them a helping hand. Look how much people she help and them na bus. She don't know if them a go bus, she's just a good person. Ladies are never, ever beg me play a song for her. Want to listen to me good enough. And I just Junior King. Really this year come with? Junior King. You don't have no team, man. Just love basketball. Anyway, as I say, ladies are never ask me to play a song yet. Never. After she do all of them things then, for my artist at the time, ladies are has never, ever asked me, Zine, to play a song. Zine, ladies has never asked me if you do nothing in return for the help she give me with Aishana. Never. Shona next something because someone are propelled by money and what people have. Ladies is beyond female competition. No female where you hear chat up them mouth cannot compete with ladies. Not in finances, not in lyrics, not in stage performance, not in image, not in nothing. When Beanie Man have Oma and I met the news, listen to me good enough. When Beanie Man have Oma as the male artist and I lock down the whole place with the Oma, you didn't know so ladies did have one? The same thing? H2 Oma, you didn't know? Who didn't know that? I don't never know. She did have one. See? Park up a yard long till all dog bite up the wire them and bag of sin. Did you know that when artists, big giant artists, just a buy land and a build up house, ladies already live at Chancery. Want to know that? You know what Chancery there? Chancery is one of the richest area in Jamaica. One off. See? A ladies goes around than General B alone as artists did have house up there, I think. Yeah. I up the Chris Gale dream house there. Them time the Chris Gale live up there. When ladies have house up there. You hear? And a chicken feed for land up there, much less house. Me hear them say empty house. Me go ladies I had million time. Empty where? The dog house them alone ram up already and furnish out, much less the house. The amount of dog ladies have up there. And the amount of adopted kids and bag of something. What? Sometimes one of the people just talk because they know so the people on the internet don't know the truth. Oh, if ladies have all these things already, see? House, cars is, houses is, cars is, money is his, number ones as songs, it's songs as songs, all kind of accolades sir have already. Sir, I beat the man them in our money and asset and vehicle and them something there. So if Spice I go say sir bad mind or Maka I go say sir bad mind or Lady Jew bad mind in the fool what? And then if sir did bad mind Spice like how she has said, sir would not call you out for sure? Because yes, I agree that sometimes the richer person can bad mind, but the behavioral pattern is different. When the richer person bad mind, them not get an opportunity to get rich. Them not introduce you to nobody to get rich. Them not connect you with nobody to get rich. Them not call you out on the show to get them audience. Because our audience is bigger than Spice one, bigger than Queen Paula, bigger than Maka, bigger than every female artist one, bigger than Tanya Steven, bigger than anybody. She have the biggest audience. She have the biggest slap them. And she a closest show them. And the first female for a close show after the man them. Who else? Who else? So oh, sir bad mind you know make sense. Say something different. Remember, sir are the first female who produce one rhythm full of female artists. Oh, them not talk about that. Oh, them not talk about that. Let me dry up, Mr. Oh, them not talk about that. Ladies have produce rhythm would be a female artist and pay for shoot video with her own money. Oh, them not talk about that. Common sense, people. Common sense. Zin? Common sense. Just listen to me. Because someone an idiot, you know. And sometimes I make people just get up and chat fuckery on the ears and on the run with it, you know. Ladies, sir. Own a mansion up a chance to y'all already. See? Have multiple vehicles. Have millions on top of millions of dollars. If she the bad mind, and what could I really make she make Spice live in her house now? She bad mind Spice, you know, remember. She bad mind Spice. What would I make she make Spice and her kids them live in her house? A bad mind person do that? Like you got two problem and them say come stay in a place with me. Just common sense. Bad mind person did that. Me can tell you this right now. I live in my yard. I may have guest room. If I know my family, and I know anyone of my family, them neither, you're not blood clot coming there, you know. Coming at trust nobody. So me, you're not coming in here. The empty room, the dopey in there and clothes and shoes. You're not blood clot coming here, you know. So, oh, remember, alright. What are the chances of Jay-Z make him look a bridge and live in him house? Remember, ladies, I was like a Beyonce compared to a DH Loaf. Spice was like DJ Loaf and Spice are like Beyonce. What are the chances of Beyonce make you and your whole family move in her house? Oh, Beyonce bad mind. No, I know this may despise in the people. We just speak reality. See? We just use with brain, common sense. At the time, Spice, I don't know, multi-millionaire rich thing, like, so I could I even give her money and say, go look at hotel and stay. She said, come in my domain, in my place, in my house, in my big old mansion. Like, seriously? How much people you know how to do that? How much people you know how to do that? You can't call some word for name when I know how to do that, you know? Foota Hype. All over my man's side, enough of them not do that. Go where? You idiot. You stay and suffer and go sleep on the road and sleep in your car. You're mad. So how bad mind dropping at that? Me not get it. Next thing. Big artists with bad mind, we know them. Here how we know big artists with bad mind. Big artists with bad mind have the smaller artists around them, nah give them no glory, take them song and sing it. This wasn't the case. You hear Spice talk herself. Spice said the song where she sing must if it this Maka or Tanya Steve, one of them, she apologized for it. And a lady song write the song. So if lady song did bad mind you, and you have a female artist where I take on you, oh, I saw write the song here to rub out your enemy. That means saw dip on your side. Cock mouth kill cock. That means that if Saw did bad mind, you know, Saw would have your runner and draw away your energy, make you right fear, take your style them, and now give you no glory. Saw they call you up everywhere. And Saw as the bigger artist, the better artist, write the song give you feel rub out your enemy. Oh, she bad mind. Just explain to me now. Oh, Saw bad mind, you know. But Saw I give you equipment to rub out your enemy and get bigger. Oh, that. Saw would have make you stay around her as a ghostwriter. Take away your song them, sing them and put them out. Give you a little money, you sit down quiet and she now push you. Exactly, Tali. Normally, no name artist write song for the big artist them. Spice say, and me say it, Spice say, a lady Saw write the song, give her for this. Must be Tanya or somebody, me don't remember which one a female artist them. So how Saw bad mind? Saw a write song give her? How would the so how that go? Me don't understand. If Saw the bad mind here, she not write no song here. She write song here because she want you win. Because if you are snitch now, say I Saw write it. If you did rate the person, why you sing it? Why did you sing it? So if the person that really takes side with you, them an idiot too, because Saw write it, why you sing it? So if you gonna put Saw under the bus, you Saw accomplice. And who Saw write the song for you? So then you Saw their help. Show type of person you is, because you come now and cut Saw short. When all she do is write the song for help you. Then Richie come tell the people in business, you ball it out for life, say Richie tell you. Hey man, how you do that? Oh, me can't trust you then, Spice. Me can't trust you. Because me can't tell you nothing when shit hit the fan. You gotta throw me under the bus and go on like you never ask me. And you never want to hear. It's rough. But me just say, people, I could just start more visible to everybody. I'm more than 15 dance and Spice mash up already. So me don't know how me fi take it say, Mama the worst. When me never see nobody come out and beat Mama, for them kind of something there yet. So all of this come like madness to me. I can't the same ladies say with me know them attack. All the ladies are turn Christian. Ladies are buy one of new Jaguar them. And me and I run a mango ranch when she come pick it up. Ladies are pick it up and drive it 2 days. The rest of the time Papa Pimp have it. Papa Pimp have the AC on and the window down. And Papa Pimpa drive on him head and him body outside through the window. The man stretch back the seat and him head and him body through the window. I drive all board. Papa Pimp drive till it run out of gas. And mama have to buy gas, put it out again. And Papa Pimp drive out the whole Jamaica. Papa Pimp drive out the whole Jamaica. I come like a him mama saw by the Jaguar for. Mama saw the normal. After that, Spice buy one Jaguar though. So who a lead who run the business? I saw her run the business, man. I saw her run the business. I saw the boss. You understand? Saw by a Jaguar, Spice end up by a Jaguar. Saw by the car, Spice by the Jeep. No found and know where I go. You understand? The lady sir is the boss. Like it or not. See how life work? Lady and I'm a little friend. She a bun sir. I know her daughter come out of defense sir. How that work? Lady sir have a mansion up on the hill. Macca them not own no house yet. Spice them not own no house yet. That's just the truth. And sir do it big like Jesus. Big. We sir buy house and build house. And a regular place. The land alone a ridiculous money. Macca own a nice house too. Spice own nice house at Jamaica and nice house at foreign. Sir have house up here too. I have houses at Jamaica. Sir set it. Me dead when the two of them get new car lock it, man. I know hear say and I like nobody tell me. Me dead man. Yeah man, so I get the grey Jaguar. And then after a while Spice get the red Jaguar Jeep. You understand? Yeah. So when them say sir bad mind, me not understand it. Me I try understand. And the only female me know produce one whole rhythm and pay for video and everything. Try get other female artists out there. Remember when I time I saw push after Spice gone. I saw push Lisa Hyper man. Proper push everywhere. And I teach her the game and thing. People every time when I ask me that, if me still love Aishana. I'm not in love with Aishana. Aishana is my past. But I'm a baby mother. You see me? And she give me my first youth. So I have to always appreciate that and I love that. You understand? So when I ask me a trick question like when I eat them. I'm a baby mother. I love all of my baby mother them. All of them. Every one of them. All of me not chat to none of them. All of them, I love them. Because they bring forth my blessing. Aishana, the whole of them. All of them. Because I don't go talk about Aishana because Aishana alone, I don't know. If me violate the code and the pattern of dancer and disrupt the blueprint of dancer, what you think dancer are going to do to me? You think it must happen today or tomorrow? Alright, look how Sky Juice them, a big man, and still I get bookings and still I run the place. Rory them still I get bookings, still I run the place. Father Paul still I get bookings, still I run the place. Father Witty have Uptown Mondays and have Soul 2 and so on and still I make money out of it. Because them follow the blueprint so you get longevity. Almost selector we see go low and have girl wind up in a dance and girl name girl in a dance. Where them they know? Them not a name. Them last nobody know want book them a foreign. Couple years ago you see me a beat some of them where they run a balcony drive. Have girl name out girl crutches. Where them there? Them there for me level. Them there where me there. Them charge where me charge. Them dominate where me dominate. Promoter call them from all over the world. No. Because dancehall I beat them. Them in a little corner, in a little box because the ancestors them now make on evolve. Because they violate the code. When they violate the blueprint. No girl. Can't name no girl in a dance when me play. Music at the top. Done. Gone. Laptop plug out. Tell me, I tell you that. It not happen on my watch. It not happen on my watch. Cause uno not gonna make my pitting them dead for hungry. More when me are 70 and 80 and them age like Sky Juice them, me still a play music and still I get money. People are pay me bigger money for me perform coming out. Select as much and me a general. You understand what I mean? It's like a Rory a general. You see DJ Kelly that call him for go in a video with Mary J. Blige. You see Swiss Beats them a call him for do Alicia Keys party. You see I saw me a talk. Legend status. You can't do nasty this in music. Ancestors them derail your career and dash you over one part. You're mad? Longevity me a deal with. Historian. Me have to become legend in this. Think me a mash up my legacy. You think say dancehall are just the physical. Dancehall are spiritual too. Reggae are spiritual. Look on Alonzo Ark them. Them man they fly out more than some man who say them at. Alonzo Ark I got Canada all but see somebody just write Alonzo Ark. I say it before you Tishy God go there. So we have to look, I saw you have to look on the music and emulate the music. I can't feel like true. You get up and your name crutches, you come push name crutches thing on the music. No. Because enough of them select them, I get to realize why them are doing them eat crutches. You understand? Because someone say, oh, me a freak, me love freaking. That not say you don't push that on the music. Be a freak. Swallow fart if you want, eat shit if you want, drink piss if you want, bite off a girl clit if you want, swallow it, choke to death, I don't care. But I am saying, do not push that into the music. That's your personal vibe, bro. That's what you do in your bedroom. Nobody has control over that. But when you come have two girls and name one another in a dance, and them think that, oh, what y'all do? What y'all do, boy? Dead enough for dead. No apology for that neither. Dead or not for dead. The news should I read the next day or not dead. If you ask me how me feel, or no should I dead. And me nah apologize for that. Selector them will have girl and name girl in a dance. And them think that me see a selector have man a naked I show him hood in a girl in a dance. Blue moon? No, brother. No. You mad? You ever go club for them something them man? Kim stress free, remember me, I'm 40, you know. 41 coming March, you know, I'm a big man, you know. And then, them old pa shaky people here stress me too. Big man thing. Oh, you mean all the suck 201 them fit? Hey, you know what I say? That porn all business, they for go. I mean, the business, them could have eat me a little more. Me I talk the truth. Them think they're not for inner the thing, dog. Them think they're not for inner the thing. You see me I say? Yeah, man, a big, dirty, nasty life. Alright, I'm going to tell you about some of them boys. Some of them boys, they are not real girls, yeah? Some of them boys, they are since them start go out in the world and I play music, them I see girl I do certain things and them they used to it. So when them sit in a dance, them frightened. When we see them think they're in a dance, music stop. Go on. Hey, dirty girl, come out of video like a suck your mama. I want you to know yourself. You don't have picnic, you don't have brother, you don't have sister. Again. Go on. All some of them boy, I never see my sister, but she did on a video skin out her pussy and I kick her in her face. I take her charge for her, I kick her up and box down her blood clot. You mad? Who? Who you come embarrass? Who you embarrass? Who? Me? You mad? I lick in your face. But them call me abuser, anything they want to call me. I got jail for that. You mad? My sister could have in a dancer do that? I can't talk about who for sister. Mind? You're mad, man. You must be sick, you know. You're sick. You must be crazy. Make my mother turn in her grave. You're mad. My sister would have to think about that and keep it to herself. I'm afraid to do that. You're mad. Much less one of my... More time I have to calm down, you see me? More time I have to calm down. People might think I'm a joke thing, you know. My thing and a joke thing. Once you are my family, you have to respect yourself to a certain level. Now tell us me I rule you and tell you how to live your life in every way. But you can't live your life so and be my sister. You mad? My sister? I tell you say me have a sister, you know. When my father tell me say she a do girl. I nearly 12 or 13 years I talk to her. I don't want to see her, she can't heal me. She can't say hi to me, she can't. Nothing. If me a suffer and she rich, I don't want nothing from her. Nothing. And if me rich and she a suffer, she can't get nothing from me. She have a daughter, can't get anything from me. She can't get nothing from me. Nothing. Remember, I not see, you know. I not see. She living in my father's yard and my father called me and tell me that. It done. You mad? Embarrass my family name. Embarrass our legacy where we have in the world. You mad? I think my sister could have gone in a dance, could do them something there. And come back and talk to me. Oh, brother, what go? Who you got? I'm saying I'm spitting now, yeah. Line now, but hey. What's it mad? It's just that no, Cartel not do nothing. Here why I not blame Cartel. I blame him for inject it into the music. But here why I not blame Cartel. So Cartel never our brethren too. Cartel did my brethren. Him could make me go eat catches. Cartel could make me name catches. Cartel sang them could make me name catches. So I'm for blame Cartel. Oh, me for blame Cartel. Me just know say my neck now lift up my head to put my mouth in a no pussy. How will this call me up on live? I want 10 people, man. Yeah, that can't happen. Yeah, man, make who go do it. Me not blame Cartel for that, bitch. Remember say, you have 1 million different kind of songs. See? You have nasty song, you have Rasta song, you have politician song, you have girl song, you have gun song, you have repatriation song, you have gospel song, you have all kind of song. So why you have to follow that? What? No, me ask you, Tishy, why you have to follow that? So you have song when man sing say, kill all the man and murder picnic. You see me I do that? Tishy, you gonna do that? And you choose to follow it? And you choose to follow it in all truth and fact? Of course him wrong for inject it in the music. Burn him for that. And it not start at him neither. If you want the truth, well it start at Baby Sham then. It start at Baby Sham then. If you want to start true blame then. A Baby Sham start it then. When you don't understand what I say. Remember say, and they force me to burn out them something. I'm telling you say, me not play the Cartel say the way she look right now, like say she would have right now. Freaky Girl 1 part 2, part 3, me not play none of them there. What do you mean by it's okay for when Baby Sham sing that song, them get burn out. When Cartel sing them song, them get burn out. When Gage sing that song, the Gage get burn out. What not talk about? What not talk? All the talk so dumb. And they're going to go back for the newspaper them and the interview them and everything we burn out them something there. Wanna forgot say all of them things they get burn out long before no woman a sing about that. Them things they get burn out. Wanna talk about? It come like on a short-term memory. What do I mean by burn out woman and a burn out man? You figure say the man them a get burn out long time before a woman even sing about that? Remember Cecile come sing about that first, you know? How much fire she come under for that? How much burnout she get? Them time the shensi never exist. Wanna forgot that? Wanna forgot that Cecile get burnout wicked? And Scatter get burnout for you in the video? Wanna not remember that? Wanna have short-term memory? Wanna talk about? Burnout a go on a long time. And Tanya Stevens did sing that too. But blow up the corner that she like. But it was indirect. Cecile come with it direct. You understand? The whole of them things they get burn out. Some of them must just come in and music and I don't know. Remember the first Fire with Baby Sham forward under as a DJ. And when him sing that song there, you know, man. So it's like all of them music that it out there, the live I got done. But I want to choose what I want to do, you know. I want to want lick catches, you know. I want to nasty, man. Big up on yourself. Chuxy party this Friday. Loud, Boston, Saturday. Rich. Rich.
All right, the king spoke. And you know, it makes a lot of sense. That's why I left the whole video up. All right? I have no more to say except please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And show that you care. And I am Daddy Reds, and I am the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.